Is your live chat getting out of control with spam, random links, or trolls? Streaming should be fun, not stressful, and managing chats manually can take away your focus. In this video, I will show you step by step how to enable Nightbot on your PC so it can automatically manage your chat, block spam, and even interact with your viewers, all while you are concentrating on streaming. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you a few hidden features most streamers don't use but should. First, open any browser on your PC and go to nightbot.tv. Click on Login at the top right. You will see options for YouTube, Twitch, and more. Choose the account you usually stream from. Note, make sure it's the same account you will be streaming on, otherwise Nightbot won't join the chat properly. After logging in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. You will see the sections like commands, timers, spam protection, and dashboard statistics. This is where all the magic happens. Next, click Join the channel. This sends an invitation to Nightbot to join the chat. You will see a confirmation message in the dashboard. If it doesn't appear, refresh the page or check that you are signed in with the correct account. Nightbot works on both YouTube and Twitch, so if you stream on multiple platforms, you can repeat this process each time. Now go to Spam Protection in the left menu. Here you can set exactly what Nightbot will block. Options include links and URLs, which stop spammy links, excessive caps, which prevent people from shouting, repeated messages, which avoid spam flooding, and symbols or emojis that keep chat readable. Take your time here to customize these settings. You can even adjust the timeouts or warnings for different actions. Start the default settings, then adjust after a few streams based on your chat activity. This ensures Nightbot doesn't accidentally block genuine viewers. Nightbot gives moderators access. This is a critical step. Open your live stream chat and type /mod /Nightbot. Without moderator access, Nightbot cannot remove spam or timeout users. Think of Nightbot as your assistant. It needs the proper permissions to help you. You can also check if Nightbot is modded by typing /status /Nightbot in chat. It should confirm moderator status. Nightbot isn't just for blocking spam. You can make it interact with viewers automatically. For example, create a command that reminds viewers to like the stream, subscribe to your channel, check out the socials, just like the click commands, then you go to custom, then add command. Enter a trigger like subscribe and the response message. You can also add cooldowns so commands don't spam chat, keeping things natural. Before going live, it's smart to test everything. Send a few messages in your chat and see if Nightbot responds correct. Try posting a few repeated messages or a link to ensure the spam filter works. Testing during a private or unlisted time frame is perfect. You won't annoy your viewers while experimenting. Here are a couple of Nightbot features many creators don't use. Timers. This sends automatic messages at intervals, like reminders to follow or check your social. Song request, which lets viewers request songs if you're live streaming music. API and integration. Connect Nightbot to other apps to display alerts, statistics, or polls. And that's it. Nightbot is now fully enabled on your PC and ready to manage your chat while you focus on streaming. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe for more creator tips, and leave a comment to let me know how Nightbot is working for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.